Which 4K dual dash cam is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Rove R2 4K Dual. The Rove R2 4K Dual caught my eye right away, especially with its standout feature. A free 128 GB card included for just $107.99. If you want high-resolution footage from both the front and rear, this is worth a serious look. The rear camera records in 1080p, which is pretty solid for capturing what's happening behind you. Plus, with a 150 degrees ultra-wide angle up front and 140 degrees angle in the back, you get a broad view of your surroundings, minimizing blind spots. It also features a Sony SDA-RVIS2 sensor that excels in low light, which is crucial for capturing clear footage during nighttime driving. Now, some users mention that the app can be a bit glitchy at times. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using this for its recording capabilities and not as your primary way to manage files, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable dash cam that offers great features without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a camera with advanced app functionalities that work flawlessly every time. For the price, you're getting fantastic value. Now, if the app issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, FAIMEE 3-channel dash cam. Next up is the FAIMEE 3-channel dash cam, which really ups the ante with its triple recording capabilities for $129.99. If you want comprehensive coverage, this one's a must-see. The 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear angles ensure minimal blind spots. High-definition night vision, thanks to the f1.8 large aperture lens, makes it great for early morning drives or late-night trips. It even comes with a built-in GPS to track speed and route history, making it easy to review incidents later. With 821 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. That said, if you're comfortable with DIY projects or don't mind taking a little extra time to set it up, this shouldn't stop you from considering it. This is perfect for you if you need all-around protection while driving, especially if you drive for a living. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler without the extra features. For the price, it's pretty impressive. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for high-quality footage. Product number 3, VIOFO A229 Pro. Coming in at $279.99, the VIOFO A229 Pro is a powerhouse for anyone serious about capturing every detail. If you want top-notch image quality, this is a serious contender. What's impressive here is the dual SDA-RVIS2 sensors, which give you 4K resolution in front and 2K in the back. The A229 Pro also has parking modes that help monitor your car when you're not around, plus hands-free voice control to operate the camera without taking your eyes off the road. With 1,400 reviews averaging 4.3 stars, it's clear users are satisfied with the performance and features. That said, some complaints revolve around the higher price point. Here's the thing, if you're looking for the best video quality and advanced features, it justifies the investment. For those who need just basic recording, it might feel like overkill. This is perfect for you if you prioritize quality and advanced tech features in your dash cam. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need the extra bells and whistles. For the performance, you're getting what you pay for. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 4, COOAU DS. Next on the list is the COOAU D30S, priced at $123.49. If you want a good balance of features and affordability, this might be your pick. The D30S offers stunning 4K video quality and a dual-lens setup that records both the front and interior of your vehicle. This is especially useful for rideshare drivers who want to capture passenger interactions. The infrared night vision is a standout feature, allowing for clear recordings in complete darkness, which is a game-changer for late-night driving. With a 4.3-star rating from 3,500 reviews, it's clear that many appreciate the performance for the price. The built-in GPS adds to its reliability by syncing video with your location and speed. However, some users noted that the Wi-Fi connection can be a bit slow, which can be frustrating. That said, if you're primarily using the dash cam for recording and not for streaming video to your phone constantly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable dash cam without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need super fast Wi-Fi for video transfers. For its price point, you're getting solid features. Now, if you want a more feature-packed option at an even lower price, check out the next one. Product number 5, Afer A4. Last but not least is the Afer A4, which is a bargain at $79.99. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, this one is worth considering. The A4 records in 4K for the front and 2.5K for the rear, ensuring you capture quality footage without spending too much. The 160-degree wide-angle view helps minimize blind spots, which is crucial for safety. With upgraded 5G Wi-Fi 6, downloading videos is now faster than ever, and the built-in GPS tracks your speed and location seamlessly. It also features a 3.59-inch IPS screen for easy navigation. With over 1,700 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's gaining a lot of positive attention. However, some users have mentioned that the low-profile design can make it hard to access buttons. Here's the thing though, if you set it up and leave it running, you might not need to access it much at all. This is perfect for you if you want a solid dash cam without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need a high-end model with all the advanced features. For the value, it's hard to beat. Now that we've covered all 5 options, you'll find something for every need and budget among these great dash cams. So there you have it, the Rove R2 4K Dual for budget-friendly reliability, the FAIMEE for triple recording, the VIOFO A229 Pro for top-notch quality, the COOAUD 30S for a balance of features, and the Afer A4 for the best value. No matter what you choose, investing in a good dash cam can truly enhance your driving safety.